Morning, Mija.
Good morning!
Naka-live na ba?
Hindi pa
Naka-live?
Meron na!
Position namin, Wendy.
Eliza, are you there?
There. Please rise. Good morning, everyone.
Morning!
Oh my gosh, nakasmile lahat kahit maagang gumising. Especially the one next to me. Well, first of all, I'd like to welcome everybody here at Wendy's Estrella branch. So come over. I'd like to acknowledge our guest today, Mario Garcia. Crystal Jacinto, Deputy Chairman of Wendy's Philippines. Joey Garcia, wow, two Garcias today. Joey Garcia, Chief Executive Officer and President of Wendy's Philippines. First, we have Jonas Gapu, President of the Universe Philippines. And to our wonderful media, accredited media partners, thank you for being here. You guys are as tireless as all of our delegates. And today, hindi kayo magugutom because you have everything back there and much more. Right? Maybe you can have it. Jonas will pay for it.
Go, Mama J! Thank you!
We are very excited at Miss Universe Philippines that this year we are partnering with Wendy's Philippines.
Woo!
You know, we always say that we're very fortunate to have sponsors that are aligned with our values. We value good food. And as a burger person myself, I'm so happy. Who's late? I'm so happy that Wendy's is our partner, so I can't wait to eat all of those yummy foods from Wendy's. I love bacon eaters myself. And actually, during Miss Universe Philippines season, I've been inspired to make healthier choices. Or am I? No, but with Wendy's, healthy made easy is really so much easier with these Wendy's premium salads. You can see that there we have the Cajun salad, the macaroni salad, chicken Caesar salad, and the mango candy salad. Now, these are quality fresh ingredients and with a variety of flavors. It's really amazing that our delegates will be able to maintain an active and balanced lifestyle during the pageant. Because it's really difficult to have the energy, but also, you know, you have your swimsuit competition coming up. And during their cheat days, they can also enjoy the Ube Frosty. Dreamy, rich ube. You know, it's the perfect upgrade for a dessert. So all of you guys out there, don't miss this chance to try the Ube Frosty because it's only here for a limited time. just like our Miss Universe Philippines done. Thank you so much. And then I know you guys want to probably interview the delegates later. And at this point, if you have any questions or any word from Ms. Sherwin Garcia. No word. Okay, maybe we can do a photo op right now. Then we can try to sign. These are formal contracts.
Open for folders.
I don't have any instruction. No, we will sign the front of the cup. Yes. Okay, everybody, please sign. Write your top 10.
Kinabahan na.
Okay, sample tayo. Papel. Tingin lang tayo sa folder po. And then smile, and then close folder po tayo. And then smile po sa camera. Okay. 3 seconds guys. Okay, tayo sa smile. Tayo kami na makikita.
Oo nga.
Shot.
One shot lang naman. Photo muna po.
Closer.
Picture lang and then shake.
Closer. Yan.
Ay, si Borge parang candidate na rin. Oh.
Okay tayo?
At this point, please bring out the burgers. Jonas will be photographed.
Burger eating contest pala to.
What? Kakain talaga siya. Sino na kidding? Pabilisan.
Padamihan daw, Walter.
Salad daw kay Mama Jane.
Bakit salad? Why was it?
Not for consumption.
Okay, yes.
Kay Mario salad.
Double burger.
Salad kay
You
Mario.
can really identify with Wendy's, guys. Because with Wendy's, we've been fresh since day one.
1, 2, and cheers tayo. Kumare. Smile.
Say Wendy.
Masunurin. Masunurin.
Wendy's.
Quick story, guys. When we found out that we are partner this year, Chelsea Manalo was with us. And when I told her, Chelsea, Wendy's is going to be our sponsor this year, she was like, oh my gosh, that's not fair. I said, "Hindi pumunta kami sa mga events and you can enjoy Wendy's." She really
Miss Universe, I believe that like this is the right people to target as well. I mean, like both Wendy's and Miss Universe can help each other with brand presence as well to make it more stronger. With the help of the ladies, your contents, looking forward to it. The beautiful contest that you will be doing, and thank you so much, Miss Universe Philippines organization, for allowing Wendy's Philippines to be part of the most prestigious and the top pageantry in the country. Thank you. I'll pass the phone to our President and CEO, Mr. Joey Garcia.
Good morning, everyone. First, Jonas, Deputy Chairman, who made this possible. Salamat. We've been looking for something like we have Wendy. This is girl power. So I think that's really what we're presenting this morning. And I think presenting later on to the world, we have the girl power. you also, I think, share the same values as Walter mentioned earlier. Aside from it, we're probably the only fast food or the only QSR that serves better alternatives. If you notice, we are serving salad, so you don't have to worry about getting a bit more heavy. If you eat your favorite burgers with us, you can have something to balance it with salad. I think recently we've been doing a lot of this product innovation, making sure that we can offer a better alternative to beautiful ladies like you, yung mga candidates natin, yung mga health-conscious individuals, yung mga Gen Z na palaging busy, na naghahanap ng mabilis na food that they could trust. Wendy's is actually here for all of you. And maraming salamat din sa organizers, of course. Mario's been working with the team. Mario, thank you very much for really putting this together with our Wendy's team. And of course, ang aking kabalin na si Wolfair, didn't realize na meron pala akong, sabi ko tayo, they're from Pampanga. I don't know the Garcia. Okay, but Garcia's everywhere. Sabi nga nila. I asked the same question. Our marketing director was actually moving to Italy. He's actually into cat food. Her last name is
We're from France.
She's moving to Italy. So, I see John's family kumagana ng same last name. Anyway, a lot of familiar names, faces. I hope this partnership we can extend this further as we share the same core values and mission. And nandito lang ang Wendy's, making sure that we can always be there for any of your events. Let us know how we can assist in all of these future activities that you have. Again, maraming salamat po sa media. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng friends and media. Thank you very much.
And to our media, make healthier choices.
Okay, last picture.
Yes, may mga dumagdag kasi.
Last lang po,
One group photo.
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Yeah, okay. Ano po, sir?
Wendy's for Miss Universe.
Okay.
May parang I'm sorry po.
Hindi talaga po kayo.
Okay.
Okay, I'll make you girls. And 1, 2, 3, and go!
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
One more.
Taas tayo.
Lagyan natin. Lagyan natin na yung jeans sa dulo. Parang mas masaya. 1, 2, 3, and go!
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you.
Group photo.
Pinja, sino gusto niyo?
Group photo pa kasi may dumagdag.
Photo with the girls.
Lahat silang muna ngayon.
Nakatayo? Okay na sila.
Okay lang, nakaupo muna sila dyan.
Okay, picture po.
Sorry po.
Tandaan niyo na yan.
Picture din sila.
Hello. 1.5 point.
And also the girl.
0.5 na plus na
Girls, get the cup.
magbubuhusan kayo. Pass na, pass to.
May premyo yan sa ilalim.
May surprise. Surprise.
Okay. Okay, cheers na tayo. 1, sir, picture. 1, 2, and cheers!
Cheers.
1, 2, 3,
talaga yung blocking ni Bakla. Ayan.
Picture daw with the media. Oh, by batch.
With the lady. First to arrive.
By batch po, photo.
First batch. Tanggalin na lang yung mga pangalan.
Chelsea! Kawai! Atisa! Atisa! Yan! Ganda!
Tarlac. Tarlac means?
Ano? Sasha.
Sasha?
Oh. Sasha!
Sasha.
Hindi Sasa, Sasha.
Parang kayo. Sa sis.
Of course.
Oo. May sis kayo.
Wendy's. Diba? Ayan, ang beautiful. Lucena, Siargao, Quirino. Ay, paano yung nasa likod? Ah, may batch. Back kaya tayo ng konti. Back tayo, mami. Pwede bang back tayo? Back tayo. Back tayo. Atras tayo. Yes. Yes.
Hindi ako capture.
Ay, ito, lahat sila or by batch?
Lahat yata sila.
Lahat na,
Medyo... Hindi balance yung upuan. So yan, ang Maria Duana. Photo. Yan. I think okay na yung upuan. More ba? Ayan. Back muna tayo. Back pa tayo. Wala rin ba back muna? Mga mo lang. Table. Oo, kasya rin natin.
Anong pangalan ni Pangasinan?
Andrea.
Ano?
Andrea.
Andrea Kayamiyaw. Si, Lapu-Lapu.
Ay, iba. Natasha. Tama ba? Oo. Yes.
I think Mac pa.
Sorry. Maganino eat mo.
Sir Bam.
Kita ako.
Hindi, pangalan mo lang. Tinatawag ko lang. Ang ganda pakinggan.
Joy ko muna.
Okay. Ladies. Okay, walang pipikit. Smile. Ayan.
Ako pala si Sir Joey, tapos mga Crystal.
Wait lang po.
Sir Joey sa center.
Okay.
Tapos mga Crystal din.
Okay, 1, 2.
Kasha.
Hindi po ka. Kasya po.
Papagkasyahin natin.
Atras.
0.5.
Atras.
0.5. Ayan, 0.5. Yan. 1, 2. Center ko, Sir Joey. Yan. Ganda.
Okay.
Wait lang po.
Okay.
Yan, Sir Christian.
Okay na kayo.
Chin.
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Wait lang po.
Wait. Oh, don't forget to cheer. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Photo. Kuya, yung kami naman, kuya.
Kuya, wait lang. Kami naman.
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Tayo yung wala si Kuya. One more. Wala si Kuya. One more, wala si Kuya.
One more.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Perfect.
Perfect photo.
Jonas.
Ladies.
Barge, Jonas.
Jonas.
Video ba? Photo video. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
One more.
Ay, ang dami na ha.
One more.
Okay, one more. Wala.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wendy's for Miss Universe Philippines.
Paano? Okay. Group photo, last one.
Mahal-mahalan. Dikit-dikit.
Closer, guys. Girls pala. Yan.
Si Edge daw sa gitna.
Center. Wendy Fitzwilliam.
Hindi ka si Wendy Williams.
And Aura. Yeah.
Special request si Edge
Woo! Isang woo. Edge,
punta ka na dun sa gitna.
Ayoko, ako. Ano na lang, sabay-sabay na lang tayo. It's the best. Okay, kain na. Pakainin muna natin yung mga girls.
Si Edge.
Pakainin muna yung mga girls. Tayo din.
Nasaan na ba? Tawagin mo na dito na lang. Tawagin mo siya dito na lang. Siyempre, punta mo na. Tapos susunod ako. Oo, dadaling ko to. Naka-live pa to. Oo, ayun. Kaya mo lang siya. Interview! Hello! My name is Jojo from the Philippine Pageant. So I'm going to interview you. So we have video and we are on live. Okay? So just introduce yourself, city you are representing, and then what can you say about the Miss Universe Philippines and Wendy's partnership? One, two, three, go! What is your favorite Wendy's meal? Okay, please invite your supporters to follow you on your social media. Okay. Siyempre, selfie. Hindi ako nakapunta ng first presentation mo. Kaya nga. Saan ka sa Manila? From Tondo. Yeah, so kaya sabi ko wait lang, hindi ako nakapunta ng ano. Oo, ito pala yung ano namin, para lang makita mo, para kasi nga naka-live ka. Follow mo na lang. Tag ka lang. That's okay lang. Okay, tanong ano ko doon. ba siya?
Quick lang. Ano ba sa'yo?
Yung papakilala lang siya, welcome to Wendy's. Yun lang.
Ay, sige, yun lang.
Yung voice nakalaksan mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Ayahan mo ako ng ara-ara. Flying kiss. Thank you, no?
Chelsea, wait lang ako pa.
One, two, three, go.
What is your favorite Wendy's meal? What is your favorite Wendy's meal? Rice. Pero grabe yung ano mo, waist mo, ha? Ano bang preparation mo when it comes to your physical, ano? Sa katawan, anong preparation mo? For those who would like to follow you, what is your social media? Wade. Thank you, Chelsea. Sino sa'yo na ba na-interview mo? Sino sa'yo na na-interview mo? Sino ba?
Diana.
Brendel, diba? From Binibini to ano? Quick interview lang. Ito ka na lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. What is your favorite Wendy's meal? When it comes to food, what is your preparation? for your followers or supporters, where can they find you? What is your social media? Invite your supporters to support you on this MU Pace journey. Wave. Okay, thank you.
Ilawan mo naman. And then in one word, can you describe your national flag?
Story ka.
Makasaysayan.
It's like you've never seen before.
Ay, pasabo.
Aabangan natin.
Kung tayo magpapapaksa, tayo
Sinenday pa ba?
kung ang lamang kulitin mo, ang mga mag-aaspalan yan.
Sinenday pa ba?
Oh, next.
Ayan.
Close up.
Iliana, in one word, can you describe your national costume? Aabangan natin. Mythical. Yeah.
Hindi na, ikaw na.
to have that support system, even though during this pageant,
Ako naman.
Hindi, mag-ano lang muna siya.
Ay, ano ba? Sige.
Video lang siya.
Official.
Sabi ka naman, Jojo.
May maganda ba siya? Miss Universe 70.
Two takes ako.
Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Ready? See? One, action. Ako naman, Lilian. Hello.
Okay, sige.
Video?
Okay, sige.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Diyan na tayo. Very quick lang tayo. 1 minute. Iba talaga ang PPTL.
Kailan kayo ulit nakita ni Dan? Kailan kayo ulit nakita ni Dan?
December 2 years.
December pa?
Meron. At isa ko naman. One, two, three, go. What is your favorite Wendy's meal? Of course, parang lahat naman yata gusto yun. Have you eaten na ba? Hindi pa. You ordered na. Okay, please invite the fans to support you on your MBA's journey. Wait. Thank you. Next.
Tita Cocola.